How to install n8n on Windows. So you can actually install n8n on your Windows so you can self-host it and you can save around $24 per month on the subscription. So to install it, first head over to a new tab and let's go to this link. I'll also add this link under the description below, or you can also just pause or screenshot the link right here. From in there you can see this. Just click on this download that will appear on the Node.js, and then this will open this new tab. What you need to do is you just need to head over and then download Node.js radius. And then from in there, just input right here freebird Node.js for the things that you want. We have in here Windows running 64. Then just download the installer. Once you have done that during the install, just check the tools for native modules and open Fire Explorer. Right click on RT back, click the change option next to the owner field and type administrator and click OK. Just confirm everything and then run the following commands that you can see right here into your PowerShell window. So the edit and errors out to permission issue, go back to your File Explorer to this particular address, right click on Content IE5, then go over to their properties and then make sure to allow entry to everyone. You just follow these particular options as well as this description that you can see right here. Once you're done with that, you can just access n8n directly from your Windows. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.